a special line for t and a special line for s, right, dedicated. So now you will have three separate answers. As you can see, they're asking for a partial in respect to t, separate partial of s.
Right, but each of those final answers will be in terms as prime.
Yes.
With respect to t won't be only t.
Exactly.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
So in general, I don't bother with figuring out what's there, what's not there. I count the x variables and t variables. So I see 3 and 3, which means that this will branch a lot. I start with W. Yeah. Which will branch into 3, X, Y, and Z. And then each one of those will branch into 3. And that's STR, STR, STR. That looks like plus ST. So now, how do these formulas look like? Well, partial W, partial, let's say S. That's my first. So I'm going to go starting from W into S. So, since there is a split here, my branches, partial W, partial X, and then partial X, partial S, plus partial W, partial Y, partial Y, partial S, plus partial Y, partial W, partial Z, partial Z, partial S. So I hope you have that and you got that by following the blue line. Now let's go the red one from W into T. So partial W, partial T is, well, the same stuff up there. It's just change S's with T's. Now obviously all of this will be different. What goes into these is different because it depends on the problem. But the tree and the concept is the same. And one more. Is purple okay? This needs to be R, right? So partial W, partial X, partial X, partial R. Yes. And done deal. These are the formulas. Now you're going to have equations. You take these derivatives, you plug them in, solve everything. It's an easy 20 minutes, thing. Yes.
So one more, for example, for only 18, would that term go to zero or not?
Yes. Because
Just eliminate that.
it will eliminate a few of these. Yes. We got the formula. Is that good enough? Woo! What? Yes. So first of all, so we had a talk of a zero. What kind of zero we're talking about? If you take a look, the x variable does not have any r in it. So partial x, partial r is 0. And because partial x, partial r is 0, that kills this entire term. Are we good on this? Do you need another 7 examples into the night? All right. So we'll restart the stream for this next lecture. Bye.